Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel or welcome back. So today we are making earphone cable clip. For making this we need two pieces of clothes. I was having one velvet material and one I have taken as a jute material. Cut the shape first on the cardboard and then put it on the cloth and cut it in a proper way. We need to stick both the clothes together with the help of fabric glue and we need two magnets. Dear friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get notified. Now start drawing. Any drawing you can draw, and I am tracing the same drawing on the other side. Now start filling the colors of your choice. I am filling red color here. Fill the gaps with white color. All the colors which I am using are acrylic colors. Now the other velvety side, for that I am using white acrylic paint. Draw the same design and fill it with colors. Here I am giving the outline with the help of outliner. And here the cable clip is ready. I hope you guys really like it, and dear friends, if you like this video, By keeping your earphone cables in it, you can carry it in your purse, in your bag, or in your pocket. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you guys, and if you like our today's project, please do comment in the comment section below and let me know if you like it or not. Be safe, be at home,